Now we shall go to Shikharni. Shikharni has been hailed as the home pitch of the great playwright Bhavabhuti, but Shankara's Shikharni in Saundarya Lahari is unparalleled in any measure, and he has been justly imitated by a great and arrogant poet like Jagannatha too. So we shall go to Shivananda Lahari and Saundarya Lahari of Shankara. The first verse from Shivananda Lahari. Kalabhyam chudalankrita shashikalabhyam nijatapa phalabhyam bhaktanam prakatita phalabhyam bhavatu me shivabhyam astoka tribhuvana shivabhyam hrudi punarbhavabhyam anandaspuradhanubhavabhyam natiriyam. Shall repeat. Kalabhyam chudalankrita shashikalabhyam nijatapa phalabhyam bhaktanam prakatita phalabhyam bhavatu me Shivabhyam astoka tribhuvana shivabhyam hrudi punar bhavabhyam anandaspuradhanubhavabhyam natiriyam. We shall take Saundarya Lahari of Shankara as one more example. Kalankah kasturi rajanikara bimbam jalamayam kalabhik karpurair marakata karandam nibiditam atastvad bhogena pratidinamidam rikta kuharam vidir bhuyo bhuyo nibidayati noonam tavakrite. Shikharni indicates gradually moving higher and higher. We can as well notice in the rendition itself. Kada kale matah kathaya kalita lakta karasam Viveyam vidyarthi tava charana nirne jana jalam prakritya mukanam apicha kavita karanataya kada dhatte vani mukha kamalataambula rasatam. Here we can notice how the meter is ascending gradually, indicating the effect of Shikharni. And here at the point of Sesura, if a rhyme is brought out, it will be very musical to hear. And this natural appreciation of a rhyme is employed by several people. And we can take an example from Shivananda Lahari to show this. Trayi Vedyam Hridyam Tripurahara Madhyam Trinayanam Jatabharodharam Chaladuragaharam Brigadaram Mahadevam Devam Mayi Sadaya Bhavam Pashupatim Chidalambam Sambam Shivamati Vidambam Hridi Bhaje.